What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new update on Luna Classic, which has been in a massive rally ever since the 21st of December, so for the last week. So I just wanted to cover in this video how high I think we can get. Yesterday I still didn't think we would break above 15,000, but obviously my view on that has changed because it had to change. But yeah, I mean the motives behind this move to me are relatively unclear. I mean, there's obviously the, as we all know, the big Binance burn coming up, which is in 3 or 4 days, 5 days, something like that. It's usually the 1st, but last time it was the 2nd of December. And right now that's also the first Monday. So I think it's the 2nd of December. Burn tax is picking up a little bit because obviously the volume is nice, which is also good for that Binance burn. But apart from that, there also have been rumors about a Coinbase listing, and you all know as the very best how hype works, right? To my knowledge, no Coinbase listing has been confirmed or something like that. I mean, I could check it out real quick. Doesn't seem like it. At least I have some sort of a bot in the Discord, which you can join if you want to, down in the description. But nothing has been confirmed there. I couldn't find any big news around Luna Classic either. I think it's mostly hype right now because of the Binance burn. But we could check out this. Usually, if you want to have news on Luna Classic, you need to go to Twitter. So we'll do that live. It's yeah. See, it's just a lot of rumors, and it's really getting fueled by the community. Yeah, I don't. I mean, also this, I don't think this is true. All right, I'm going to be honest with you. If there's, I mean, why would they purchase $450 million in Luna Classic? It's usually Coinbase will not buy a token if they get listed on their platform. The token has to pay Coinbase, but it just seems a little bit. And there are some proposals going on, but I don't think that's it either. I think it's really the hype and the Binance burn. But hype can get you very high. I mean, right now our main resistance level is 18,000. We're going there, and at this rate, it seems like we're going to break above that, and it seems like we're going all the way up to this level right here, more around 19,500 and 20,000. Now, breaking above that is going to be tough. I mean, even if you zoom out to the daily, you can see that that's a strong key level. That's going to be the level to watch out for. And even, I mean, we haven't broken 18,000 yet. I think we'll get some reaction off of that level as well, perhaps even live in this video. But that's a strong level. The thing just is that we can actually continue this rally as long as you hold the levels you break above. That's always the #1 rule in crypto. So for example, for Luna Classic, here we broke above 14,000. If you can stay on top of that, you can get a bullish breakout. Here we broke above 15,000. If you can stay on top of that, you get a bullish breakout. So we have to stay on top of those levels. So right now, for example, how this rally could end, because at some point it's going to end. All right, you all know that. I mean, at some point it's going to end. How high we will get before that, that's a big question. But for example, if we now find resistance at 18,000, which is realistic, then we're probably going to drop down a little bit, but as long as we stay on top of 17,000 and as long as the hype stays there, we will do something like this and get up to our next price target, which is, as I said, between 19,000 and 20,000. But 20,000 is just a huge resistance level. It's a psychological resistance level. There's a 1.618 fib. Unless a Coinbase listing really comes, because in that case we could go all the way up to 25,000. But unless that comes, so if that's not the biggest reason behind a move like this, then I think 20,000 is going to be a level we will not break through, just because of the sheer strength behind that level. But also if you take a look at if you take into account the strength of the bullish fundamentals now. But that's my take on Luna Classic for today. I will be back with another update if needed, if we, for example, reach 19,500 or 20,000. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day. Take care and bye.